How to safely remove dried hot glue from fabric.
Hello there. If you're dealing with a sticky situation where dried hot glue has found its way onto your fabric, don't worry. We're here to help. In this video, we're going to guide you through the best and safest methods to remove dried hot glue from any fabric, leaving it as good as new.
What do I need?
To effectively remove dried hot glue, you will need the following items: a freezer bag, a freezer, a butter knife or a flat-edged tool, some rubbing alcohol, a clean cloth or sponge. Make sure you have all these items at hand before you begin the process.
How do I freeze the glue?
The first step in removing dried hot glue is to harden it even further. You can do this by freezing the glue. Here is how. 1. Place your fabric with the dried glue inside a freezer bag. 2. Put the bag in the freezer. 3. Leave it there for about 30 minutes to an hour, until the glue becomes brittle. The purpose of this step is to make the glue as hard as possible, so it can be easily chipped off the fabric.
How do I remove the frozen glue?
After the glue has been frozen, it's time to remove it. 1. Take the fabric out of the freezer and immediately start to chip off the glue with your butter knife or another flat-edged tool. 2. Be careful not to tear or damage the fabric. Gently chip away at the glue until you have removed as much as possible. This method will remove most of the glue, but there might be some residue left.
How do I remove the leftover glue?
If you've still got some stubborn glue left on your fabric, here's what you can do. 1. Apply a small amount of rubbing alcohol to a clean cloth or sponge. 2. Gently dab the area where the glue residue remains. The alcohol will help dissolve the glue. 3. If necessary, rinse the fabric in warm water and then let it dry. Always test the alcohol on a small, hidden area of the fabric first to make sure it doesn't affect the color. With these easy steps, you should be able to successfully remove dried hot glue from your fabric. Remember, the key is patience and being gentle with the fabric to avoid causing any damage. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy cleaning!